Hello everyone, in this movie we will see how we can install a Java development kit to a computer. Since some of our students have requested, I would like to show you how you can download and install this Java development kit to your computer so that you can create Java programs for your course. The course that we do is fundamental programming. So let me go to command prompt. I have added command prompt to my taskbar. Let me click on it. So we have the command prompt where we can check whether Java is installed, JDK is installed in a computer. I'm typing Java C Java compiler and I'm asking for the version, which version we have installed. So here it is reading as a Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or a batch file. So it's clear that we have not installed JDK in our computer. So let me exit from this program and I'm going to click on Chrome browser to search for downloads. So let me download JDK. Search for JDK, and the first hit you receive is from Oracle website, Java downloads. So currently Oracle has acquired Java from Sun Microsystems. The latest version of JDK is 21. So here you can see the supporting operating system for JDK. They have listed Linux versions and macOS versions and Windows version. I have Windows operating system running in my PC, so I have selected on these Windows. I have clicked on this Windows tab. Here it is showing the architecture. It is a 64-bit processor. My one is, depending on your processor architecture, it will display whether it is x86 or 64-bit. Here I'm going to download the exe file or MSI file. It is Microsoft installer file or exe executable file. Let me click on this exe file so that it will start this download process. So my computer is downloading this JDK 21 version and 64-bit architecture. Now we have downloaded this JDK 21 and my internet download manager has successfully downloaded, and I'm clicking on this open button. In your case, sometimes if you do not have any download managers available, it will be download to your default download directory, where you can find from by clicking on these three ellipsis button and then going to downloads. You can find here. In my case, I have used Internet Download Manager, so it is directly showing up the downloaded file. So I'm going to click next. It is asking for the location. It is showing us is going to install this JDK inside a C drive program file Java and JDK 21 folder. If you do not have any space in your computer, you can change the directory or a drive, whatever you like. Let me tell you that the default location, accepting the default location, is the best option. So let me click on next. So it is copying the files to the folders and it's going to finish installing this Java Standard Edition Development Kit 21.0.1 subversion successfully in the computer. Close this and let me close these Chrome browser. I'm refreshing again. I'm going back to these command prompt where I will give the command Java C Java compiler version. Now it says we have installed Java C 21 version because we installed JDK 21. In order to make sure that this computer has successfully installed this JDK, let me create a simple class, a welcome program for you. So I'm going to have a public class test. Public static void main string args. So let me give a welcome message system.out.println. So you already know what these println and system out means, because we have covered this thoroughly. Welcome to fundamentals of programming. So let me save this file class to a folder. Let me save it. Let us create a new folder. Already we have created one folder. It says MIT11053. So same name I am giving, test.java. All files. We have saved a test.java. Now I'm going to have let me check the folder. It is a E drive or F drive. Okay, F. There is no F available. E. It is E. Actually, it's F. Yeah, it's F. CD MIT11053. Okay, so now I'm going to say java c test.java. It has successfully compiled means we have successfully installed this JDK. Let us run this program java test. Yes, the program runs for us. It means we have successfully installed this JDK in our computer. Let me open this PC and go to C drive and program files. Then we will find JDK in Java and bin. We will see these Java C compilers here and Java virtual machine. These are Java interpreter is also there. So thank you so much. We have successfully installed this Java development kit in our computer, and we will see in another episode of this kind of videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.